Today's lesson we are looking at mathematics. Trigonometry will be focusing on compound angles. Lesson 101. Let us start. We have four derived compound angle equations. There is a lesson video whereby we look at the derivative or the proof of those equations. So for this lesson video, we are going to look at the application of those equations. Now the first equation is associated with sine, and then it has the sum of two angles. So this is equals to what? Sine A plus B is equals to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. That is the first equation. Now suppose we are given this example. What is sine 80 plus 30? Or let's actually start with this example whereby we have x. This will be equals to, we take 180 as A, and then we take x as B. So it will be sine 180 cos x plus cos x. I mean it's cos 180, not cos x. Sine x. Simplifying this, sine 180 is 0 multiplied by cos x plus cos 180 will be negative 1 sine x. So this will be 0. Negative 1 multiplied by sine x is negative sine x. Then sine x is negative sine x is our solution. And indeed, when we use a reduction, we know that 180 plus it's in quadrant number 3. And then in quadrant number 3, sine is actually negative. So using a reduction, sine 180 plus x is equals to negative sine x. Our next equation is sine A minus B. This is equals to sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. So you can see the difference. When there is negative between the two angles, means between the two the expansion will also have negative. When there's positive, it's also positive here. So for example, sine 360 minus theta is equals to sine 360 cos theta minus cos 360 sine theta. Sine 360 is equals to 0 multiplied by cos theta minus cos 360 is equals to 1 sine theta. And then this will be 0. We're going to have negative sine theta. Our next equation is associated with cos and the sum of two angles, cos A plus B. This is equals to cos A cos B minus sine A sine B. Now you can see that if we have the sum plus, between the expansion will be negative, the opposite. And cos is cos cos sine sine. Unlike sine, sine is sine cos cos sine. So for example, suppose we are looking for cos 90 plus x. This is the same as cos 90 sine x minus, no, it's actually cos x minus sine 90 sine x. So cos 90 will be equals to 0 multiplied by cos x sine 90, it's equals to 1 sine x. So this will be equals to 0, and then we have negative sine x. This is how we actually apply this equation. The last equation is cos a minus b. So you can see the difference. If we have negative, then it means our expansion sign will be positive. For example, cos 180 minus theta. This will be cos 180 cos theta plus sine 180 sine theta. Cos 180 is equals to negative 1 cos theta sine 180 is equals to 0 sine theta. And then from here, this will be 0, and then we are left with negative cos theta. So these are compound angle equation. We only have 4 of them. That's it for this lesson video. This is Wahula SJ. Thank you very much.